Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So finally, the focal Utopia is here. This is a very special speakers for me because I love Utopias. I love the Utopias. I've heard it multiple times, and every time I hear the Utopias is really amazing. I don't know the signature or if it's the tweeters. It's amazing. Okay, very transparent speakers, very expensive speakers, yes, but it's not the most expensive one. The most expensive one is the Ultima. Okay, so this is the second highest range in focal, which is the Utopia M. Right, so I just want to do a short unboxing video. If you're seeing two boxes here, right? Okay, I don't know why focal designed such way. Okay, they give you two boxes like that. So you open one box like that, and there's another box inside. Okay, so instead of wasting time and opening the boxes one by one, so I've already done the unboxing of the white box. Okay, so now first let's go with the tweeters. One thing is a bit I don't know how to say this, but it's a bit off for me because these speakers are so expensive, but you only get like just boxes like that. Like it just doesn't blend well with the aesthetics of the speakers. Okay, so now let's open up the TBM tweeters. So this is the TBM version. All right, these are what we call the beryllium tweeters. You can see on top there, beryllium. It's a form of I don't think it's a rare metal, but it is a metal. So it's a beryllium metal tweeter. Okay, it's unlike the soft dome. This is beryllium. This is a metal. So the advantage of this material is they are super transient. They are super accurate. Okay, they move very fast. They don't have any delay in terms of high range frequency, and they don't roll off typically like your soft dome tweeters where they roll off after 17k. This keeps going up. Okay, that's the beauty of beryllium. Okay, so it's not for the average people, to be fair. Okay, this is, a lot of people say they are harsh, they are, blah 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 blah, exhausting to the ears and all that. I think it's bullshit, because if you have a focal and you say it is harsh, I think the tuning is the problem, not the drivers themselves. They are very transient, they are very accurate tweeters. Okay, now we also have this plate over here, which apparently when you put this plate behind your tweeters, it will reduce the FS even further. So I'm not sure. We don't need to play the tweeters that low. Okay, 4,000 to 3,000, that is pretty healthy range for a tweeter to play. I don't see the necessity of going very low for tweeters, especially if you have a mid-range. So yeah, that's the tweeters. Now let's go to the mid. Okay, so this is the mid-range Utopia M, and it's very light. It is very, very light, and you don't feel that expensive build, but it looks expensive. I don't know how to accurately describe the words on the Utopias. Okay, but it feels very light. It doesn't feel like a premium expensive driver where sometimes it's heavy, and I've touched many products, but this one is something else. This is very lightweight. Okay, that's the mid-range, and you can see from the side it has the M profile. You see, it's the M, right? There's the M profile over here. Yeah, so you'll get two of these separately. Unlike the TBM tweeters comes in pair, the mid-range doesn't. Okay, you'll need to get another one. All right, so that's for the mid-range. Now let's go for the mid-bass. So one like this and one like that. So in order to take this up, you have to take that off, and you have the driver over here. Okay, so this is the mid-bass driver. In terms of spec, they are very high QTS driver. All right, so you need to have a big enclosure for them to play. All right, and the FS is pretty high, so keep that in mind. I don't know why the FS is at 70 hertz. You know, typically for mid bass, I would want to see anything below 60, but this is 70. Okay, so I'm not sure why they did that or what is the reason. And to be fair, this is my first time experiencing Utopias. Okay, I'm going to install this in a customer's car and I'm going to see how they respond. You know, sometimes technical sheet will give you something else, acoustical response will give you something else in a car, so keep that in mind. That's the mid bass Utopia amp, and yeah, that's a lot of airspace for breathing or cooling the voice coil, I guess. You know, and it's very soft. It's really soft. It's not those hard drivers where you have to press, you know. Yeah, looks amazing. So yeah guys, and also I forgot to mention about the accessories. So they come with a grill, you know, and you have to purchase this separately, of course. And that is the mid-range grill. Okay, it goes on top like that, but of course there's a plate, you have to push it out first. It's a bit tight. Yeah, there you go. That's the ring, you know, and then you put that in like that. It snaps right away and it doesn't move. Then you put your grill on top like that. Okay, like that. And you also have the grills for the mid bass. The same principle applies. Okay, bam, like that. So if you are making an enclosure, you might need this. If you're not, then you don't need this. So there you go guys, this is the Utopia M unboxing video. I'll keep you guys posted on any installation and tuning and stuff like that. I will make another video separately for that. So yeah, it's getting late, I'm tired, and see you guys in the next one. Take care.